Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 29 on hashtag ASR 99 days data science challenge, and in this video we are going to look at advantages of NumPy arrays over lists. The advantages of NumPy arrays over lists are it takes very less memory, and NumPy arrays are faster than lists, and the NumPy arrays are easy to use when compared to lists in Python. So first let's import our packages. Import NumPy as np. Now let's create a list. Let me name it A, and in which range 1000, and let's print the size occupied by it. So sys dot get size of the any of the item in the list A. So let's take 10, and which is multiplied by the total number of elements, that is 1000, or the length of our list A. And when I run it, I got the value 28,000. Now let's try the same for an array. So let me call it B np dot a range, which is array plus range, and pass in the value 1000. Now let's print array size, array dot size, which gives the size of our array, which is 1000, multiplied by array dot item size, which tells us a particular size that an item in an array occupies. I got 4000, which is our list consume 7 times the memory space than our arrays. Now let's prove that NumPy arrays are faster than lists. So for that, let me take a variable v, and in which I am taking a big number, and let me create two lists. Let's say L1 equals range of v, and L2 equals range of v, and our arrays, let's say A1 equals np dot a range of v, and A2 equals np dot a range of v. Now let's calculate the time taken for our NumPy arrays to add both. So start equals time dot time, and the result of array I am storing in a variable result array, and which is we are going to add those arrays. So A1 plus A2. Then let's calculate the speed. Time taken for our NumPy arrays are time dot time minus start, and this value what we are going to get will be in seconds. Now let's convert it into milliseconds by multiplying into 1000. We got 464.75 milliseconds. Now let's try the same for our list. So start equals time dot time, and the result list. So to add to list, we will use a for loop x plus y for x comma y in L1 and L2. So what happens here is Every element in L1 and L2 are now assigned to the variable x and y, and they sums up with each other when the same index elements meets. And let's print the time taken. The time taken, time dot time minus start, and multiplied. I got the value 27,166. So we can clearly see the huge difference between them. And our third advantage, that is, they are convenient to use. Here when we are trying to add our NumPy arrays, we just type a1 plus a2, whereas when we want to add our list, we have to type a for loop for it. And so we can say that our NumPy arrays have a big hand when compared to our list. Thanks for watching. Like the video, leave a comment down below, and let's meet on day 30.